Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to configure if the chat icon appears on your website or not. So when we go to the application, in the mobile phone you can see that there is this one chat icon out here, and on the desktop mode you'll be able to see that there is a chat icon at the bottom right corner. If you want to, by default this always appears, and if a user clicks on it, their chat window will appear in which your contact phone number will get activated and somebody will be able to talk to you on WhatsApp instantly. But sometimes we don't want that. We don't want the chat icon to appear. So for that, all we need to do is go into store configuration, user experience, and in user experience we need to say hide WhatsApp chat. Again, mind you that by default this is not hidden, this is always shown. But if you want that this WhatsApp, the WhatsApp icon should go away, this is how it is done. Thank you.